If you guys want to upgrade the headlights on your Nissan Frontier, we finally found the best in automotive lighting, and that is the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb. It's the brightest LED bulb we've ever found. It's the most refined and it looks the best on your Nissan. In this video, I want to show you what it looks like compared to stock and talk to you a little bit about why it's so important to get a good bulb in this truck. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. This Nissan has a reflector-based housing, which essentially means that it's got a bunch of mirrors inside, and so you need the light source, the LEDs in this case, to replicate the wire-wound filament of your original 9007 halogen bulb. If it doesn't, it's going to bounce off these mirrors all over the place. It's going to scatter the light in front of you, scatter the light on the oncoming driver's eyes. It's the last thing you want. In order to have a refined beam pattern, this LED light source needs to replicate it as best as possible, and the Ultra 3 does that. So what I want to do is just back this thing up. I'm going to show you with the digital lux meter how bright the actual usable brightness is of the halogen bulb, and then I'm going to record that with the Ultra 3 bulb. I'm going to back this thing up 10 meters from the wall and show you there. Now this is what your Frontier halogen lights look like. You already know this is a dingy yellow color. This is not what you want. This is so dated on the front end of your vehicle that isn't actually that old. It is not a bright white color and it's not very wide. The beam pattern's not terrible. Nissan did an alright job building this reflector housing, but it's just not up to par with today's standards. I measured 509 maximum lux. We're gonna call this the benchmark. This is at the brightest point on the wall. When I installed the Ultra 3 bulb on low beam, it was 2005 maximum lux at the brightest point. So straight away you're gonna notice that you get 294% more brightness on low beam. That is insane by simply changing out one bulb on each side. You're also gonna notice that it's the nice bright white color. It looks really comfortable when you're driving long distances. It's the right color temperature to not give you eye fatigue, and it also transforms the front end of your vehicle. You're gonna maintain that beam pattern, but it's just going to make it better and brighter, obviously. Your stock high beam was only 688 maximum lux, which isn't actually that much more than your low beam. Again, it's the same bulb doing both low beam and high beam, so I didn't expect much of an improvement. But when you installed the Ultra 3 on high beam, you still get 2,429 maximum lux, so a 253% increase in brightness. It is insane. It's definitely gonna put that light down the road a long ways where it needs to be so you can actually see long distance. This is actually gonna keep you safer. If this is your daughter or your son's truck, this is going to keep them safer. This is definitely the improvement that you want when installing a bulb in your vehicle. It's pretty amazing to see that much light output by simply changing out one bulb per side. Again, this is a 9007 bulb, which means you don't have to replace a low beam and high beam. It does both out of one bulb. The install is super easy. I'm going to show you that now, but if you don't need it, go to headlightrevolution.com right now. Get your set today. I'm going to show you how to do this now. First, pop the hood. Once you have the hood popped, I'm going to work my way to the driver's side, reach into the back, and then there's a white collar on the back side of the headlight housing. We're going to turn it counterclockwise, and that will release your halogen bulb from your vehicle. If it was on for a while, this bulb is super hot, so be careful. You're going to disconnect the bulb from your OEM factory wiring and remove that collar. You're then going to take your Ultra 3 bulb and you're going to remove the collar, place the white collar from the truck over top, and then sandwich that white collar back down with the original collar that was on the Ultra 3. Then just simply put it in the back side of the housing, turn it clockwise, lock it in place, and then don't forget to connect the OEM wiring. Once you've got that, do the same thing on the passenger side and you're good to go. Now you don't just want to put this in your vehicle and set it and forget it. You do want to make sure that it's aimed and aligned properly, which means that it needs to be shooting out horizontally like this. You don't want this to be sitting at an angle. That's the last thing you want. So we're just going to have it like this when it's seated in the back of your headlight housing. If it's at an angle at all you got to do is simply turn the collar like this, and you can put it back in and put it in. You don't have to remove a screw, you don't have to take the collar off. It's simply that easy for a 9007 bulb. Once you get it aligned properly, you now want to aim it, which means you got to raise it up or lower it by simply taking a Phillips screwdriver and reaching down into the backside of the headlight housing to find that little gear. You're going to turn it by turning it counterclockwise or clockwise, and that's going to raise the height of your output up or down. You don't want to blind oncoming drivers. If you want to see exactly how to do this, step by step, we made an entirely new video just for that. In all reality, if you want to upgrade the halogen bulbs on your Nissan, the Ultra 3 is by far the best. You're not going to blind oncoming drivers. You're going to get a nice bright white color. You're going to get more width. And it truly is the best. It's got good cooling and a lifetime warranty. It's the best you can get, and I've been testing bulbs here for over 10 years with Chris Nelson and Headlight Revolution and everybody here that works here. We all run the Ultra 3 because it's truly the best bulb we've found. GTR Lighting did a great job, and it's now on our website, headlightrevolution.com. We'll see you guys there. Check out all the other lighting that we also tested for your Nissan.